Whoops, I was gonna have to wait. Let's go check out Sunday Summit, FSR. Looks like the snow's not too deep. It'll be a bit icy and gunky though. Rutted. Looks like we gotta make our own tracks here. See how this goes. Yeah, I can already feel this getting to be kind of getting stuck material here. Okay, let's turn this thing around using the downhill to our advantage. And get on back out of here, because clearly this is some snow we can't handle. I think we're already in it. Not sure how this equates to getting a little bit stuck. Straighten my wheels out a bit, I guess. It's not even all that slippery, so time to learn a thing or two about this, I guess. All right, so the first step when you're stuck in snow is to air down. And I'm at 36 PSI. I don't really want to air down though, because I'm only a couple hundred meters from the trailhead. Try it with 2. After I dug down a bit, I can see there's a nice layer of ice down below, so probably explains why we're spinning. Sunk through the soft snow, down onto the ice.